Hold on tight. Google is taking AI to the next level with a project to simulate the entire physical world. Led by Tim Brooks, formerly of OpenAI, this ambitious effort aims to pave the way for artificial general intelligence. By replicating real-world physics, Google hopes to revolutionize industries like robotics and gaming. We'll also dive into the rumored Gemini 2.0 update and how Google is stepping up its AI game to compete with Microsoft. Get ready for a mind-blowing journey into the future of AI, the Big Leap. World simulation at Google DeepMind. If you thought AI was already impressive, wait until you hear about what Google is cooking up. Enter the World Simulation Project, an effort to create an AI system that understands and replicates the complex physical world around us. Imagine an AI that's not just a chatbot answering questions, but one that predicts the physical outcome of every action in the universe. Mind-blowing, right? That's the goal here. Building an AI that can anticipate what's going to happen in any given environment based on vast streams of multimodal data. So, how exactly do you create an AI that knows how the world works? It's a colossal task. The team at DeepMind, led by Tim Brooks, is combining data from video, audio, sensors from robotics, and more to train an AI that can predict the results of actions in real time. Think of it like teaching a child how gravity works, not just by telling them about it, but by showing them a million different examples. Through this process, the AI learns to understand physical laws like we humans do, so it can predict future events with the same clarity. It's a process that is undeniably ambitious, but also incredibly exciting. Why does Google need to simulate the real world? So, why on earth would anyone want to simulate the entire world? Well, the possibilities are practically endless. First off, if AI can simulate real-world physics accurately, it could revolutionize industries like robotics and gaming. Robots could practice tasks like walking in a safe, virtual environment until they get it right, saving tons of time and avoiding costly mistakes in the real world. Can you imagine a robot learning to walk without face planting every 2 seconds? That's some next-level training right there. But wait, there's more. Video game developers could tap into this technology to create game worlds that are so lifelike, you'll wonder if you've stumbled into the Matrix. Imagine a game where objects and environments behave with perfect realism. So much so that you could swear they were governed by the same physical laws that rule your living room. We're talking about the future of immersive gaming, powered by AI that understands physics down to the finest detail. And let's not forget about scientific research. Researchers could use these simulators to model complex systems like weather patterns, or even simulate how diseases spread through populations. Think of it as a way to conduct what-if experiments without the need for real-world consequences. Not bad, right? The AGI dream, scaling up for intelligence. The ultimate goal behind Google's World Simulation Project is AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. If you've ever heard of AGI, you know it's the holy grail of AI research. We're talking about an AI that's not just good at one thing, but can understand and perform any task a human could. And how do you get there? Well, according to Google, it's all about scaling up. The idea behind the scaling hypothesis is simple. The more data you feed into an AI model and the more parameters you add, the smarter it gets. So, if we keep throwing more data and computational power at these systems, they should continue to evolve and improve. That said, not everyone is convinced that scaling alone will get us to AGI. Critics argue that we might be hitting a ceiling with current approaches. After all, data isn't infinite, and training these massive models comes with a hefty environmental price tag. Some experts believe we need to rethink the architecture of AI models, not just make them bigger. But for now, Google seems all in on the scaling approach. Gemini 2.0 and the AI arms race. While DeepMind is busy working on simulating the world, rumors are swirling that Google is about to drop a major update to its Gemini model, an update that could bring us even closer to true AGI. Gemini 2.0, as it's being called, is expected to bring flash thinking capabilities that could help AI make quicker, more dynamic decisions. Think of it as a turbocharger for AI's decision-making process. The idea behind flash thinking is that AI can make decisions on the fly, in real time, based on the data it's receiving. This would be crucial for things like real-time simulations or immersive experiences, where AI needs to react instantly to new information. So, while we've been busy marveling at the idea of AI understanding the laws of physics, Google is already working on giving that AI a mental boost to process complex information faster than ever before. The Google-Microsoft showdown, AI for the masses. Now, Google is not the only company making strides in the AI race. Microsoft has also been making moves with its own AI advancements, including launching a free version of its Copilot chat for Microsoft 365. Both tech giants are in a fierce competition to make AI as accessible as possible to businesses and individual users alike. In fact, just recently, Google announced it would make its AI features available for free to all Workspace subscribers. This means businesses no longer have to pay extra fees for tools like auto-generated spreadsheet designs, AI-powered meeting summaries, and video editing tools. All of that is now included in the regular Workspace subscription, just an extra $2 per user per month. Not a bad deal, right? This move is a direct response to Microsoft's own push to make AI more accessible. The goal is to build brand loyalty, gather more user data, and continuously improve AI models to stay ahead of the competition. After all, the more people use your AI, the better it gets. And with both companies offering AI at a lower cost, we're witnessing an AI arms race that could define the next decade. AI that understands you, the future of work and play. As AI becomes more deeply integrated into our daily lives, it's not just about automating tasks. The real magic happens when AI starts to understand the context of a conversation, the environment it's in, and even nonverbal cues like body language. This kind of interaction is what makes AI feel less like a machine and more like a partner. Picture this. You're having a conversation with an AI that can anticipate your needs, adapt to your tone, and react just like a human would. It's not just sci-fi anymore, it's coming. The integration of world simulation with advanced AI capabilities could unlock a whole new level of interactivity. Whether it's simulating physical environments for robotics, creating lifelike video game worlds, or assisting in real-time decision-making, the possibilities are endless. The AI we're talking about doesn't just read text, it predicts how objects in the world should behave and reacts in real time. This is the future we've been waiting for. Challenges and ethical concerns. Of course, all of this comes with its own set of challenges. For one, simulating the entire physical world is no easy feat. The data required is enormous, and the complexity of the physical laws that govern our world makes it a tough nut to crack. Not to mention the ethical concerns that arise when we start creating AI that can potentially predict and manipulate the real world. Experts like Tim Brooks emphasize that cross-disciplinary collaboration is key to addressing these challenges. It's not just about training AI to understand physics, it's about ensuring that it's done ethically, safely, and responsibly. As Google continues to push the boundaries of AI, we'll need to keep a close eye on how these technologies evolve. And there you have it, folks, The future of AI might just be one step away from taking over the world in a good way. If you're as excited as we are, don't forget to hit that like button before it runs away and subscribe so you never miss out on the AI madness. Until next time, keep your eyes on the future and maybe on your computer screen too.